Enhanced crop monitoring and surveillance. Drones are revolutionizing crop monitoring, giving farmers an unprecedented view of their fields. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and advanced sensors, drones can map entire fields in one flight, revealing plant health, soil conditions, and growth patterns. This aerial perspective uncovers potential issues that might go unnoticed from the ground. Early detection is one of the key benefits. Drones with multispectral imaging can spot plant stress and nutrient deficiencies before they become visible to the human eye. Addressing these problems early helps maintain crop health and optimize yields. Pest management is also enhanced with drone surveillance. Farmers can quickly identify areas with unusual patches that may indicate pest infestations or disease and target treatments precisely. This reduces the need for widespread chemical use, protecting the environment and cutting costs. The real-time data drones empowers farmers to act promptly and make informed decisions. Over time, drone data contributes to long-term planning by tracking trends in soil health and crop productivity. This knowledge supports decisions about crop rotation, fertilization, and which crops to plant where. Drones have turned crop monitoring into an efficient, insightful process that improves farm sustainability and resilience.